Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here. It is 9:18 a.m. Central Time on Sunday, September 18th, 2011. And there was a 6.8 earthquake in India today, and that was at Sikkim, India. Let me pull the stats on this. It was at 12.9 miles deep, again today at 1200 Universal Time, and 6.8 magnitude. Let's go ahead and zoom it in. And it's going right along the Himalayas there. It's an area that we've been watching for additional large earthquakes. Indochina, right there. All right, so hang in there, folks. Much love, be safe, and definitely have your earthquake preparedness plans ready.